All right, here we go. It's selfie video time here. We're going to talk a little bit. We've been working on these floorboards for our Drascombe lugger. Put some varnish on them on the top yesterday. Now we got them flipped over. We're going to do the bottom. We've been using and liking this Total Boat Gleam varnish. It's got a satin finish to it, so it shouldn't be too shiny in the sun. But what's happened today is we've got what happened is it's what we call shaving a yak when we get into one project and we've got to find something else to do to distract us. So you end up finding 2 or 3 other things to do. Instead of starting off with the first project, you call it, you get off to something weird like shaving a yak. So the yak we shaved today was working on this rudder head. This is the rudder for our Drascombe Dabber, and it's got this neat little head on it. Where you can take the tiller, just goes right over the top of it, and then you take it off. Real easy to get it on and off. So we're going to make a few other rudders like that, and we traced out the shape of another rudder head, just so we can get this shape here and know that it's the right geometry to work with this tiller. And we'll use this as a template to make some more. So today we started off on this. It's got these square edges, and I took a router, put a little bit on it. It's got a nice 5/8 round over on it, and that makes this rounded edge right here, so that we can take this and pop it on there, and that gives us the shape and the geometry we need. So this little top half will be used just to trace, and then we'll know what shapes we need. And the bottom half we can put whatever type of shaped blade we want on it. So we potentially, using just this part right here, we can make all kinds of fun rudders for different boats other than just the Dabber. So that's what got in the way of putting this varnish on the bottom of these planks. So we're gonna get all this put out of the way and start working on varnishing the planks that are going to go in the lugger. And that's pretty much what's been going on here today. So I thought I'd try a video like this instead of wandering around and having the camera coming and going either way. But hope y'all are having a great day, and we'll talk to you again soon.